Hello viewers, you're welcome back to class. Okay, it's your usual host, your online tutor, Faith Osemegbe Uhulu. You're welcome to another session of Algebra and BODMAS. Okay, solving algebraic questions using the BODMAS principle. Now, what's the principle of BODMAS? Remember, I said BODMAS simply means what? Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now in today's lesson, we're going to use BODMAS to solve these simple questions on the board using simple tricks and tips on how to solve BODMAS questions. Let's get right into it. Solution. Question 1, we have 5 into brackets 5v minus 3j plus 23 minus 2j into bracket 5 minus 2. Remember, the first BODMAS principle is to what? Open the bracket. So we're going to open the brackets now and then move on to the next step. So we have 5 times 5v equals what? 25v minus 5 times 3j equals 15j plus 23 minus 2j times 5 is what? That gives us 10j. Minus times minus is plus, and then 2j times 2 equals 4j. Right? Now the next step, we're going to what? Add our numbers or subtract them depending on the coefficients of the numbers we have on the board. Now we have 25v minus 15j minus 10j plus 4j minus 15j minus 10j equals what? Minus 25j. But before we go into that, let's bring the plus 23 forward. So plus 23, then minus 25j plus 4j minus 25j plus 4j. Okay, so now we've gone to the what? And then the next one is to what? Subtract. We have 25v plus 23 minus 25j plus 4j. That gives us what? Minus 21j. Minus 21j. And this is the final answer for this particular question. Now let's move on to question 2. 3vh plus 9 plus 4h into bracket 6 minus 2v. Now we're going to open the bracket, which is the first principle of BODMAS. And this gives us what? 3vh plus 9 plus 4h times 6. That's 24h. 4 plus times minus is what? Minus. Then 4h times 2v equals 8vh. Okay? So what do? Addition comes first. After we open the brackets, there is no division, neither is there multiplication. So we'll move on to what? Addition. So we have 24h plus 9 minus 8vh plus 3vh. Remember, when you have a question like this, there's an invisible sign in front of the number, which is the plus sign. Okay? Now let's continue. Then we have 24h plus 9 minus 8vh plus 3vh gives us what? Minus 5vh. We are going to subtract, right, and take the sign of the bigger number. That's minus 5vh. And there you have it. This is the final answer. Question 3. We have 6p into bracket 3e plus 2 minus 7ep minus 23. Now, from here, we'll first of all do what? Open the brackets. As usual, we have 6p times 3. This gives us what? 18ep plus 6p times 2 is 12p minus 7ep minus 23. Okay? So we have what? 12p plus 18 EP minus 7 EP minus 23. Plus 18 EP minus 7 EP will give us what? Plus 11 EP. So let's go. We have 12P plus 11 EP minus 23. We can't solve further than this, and then we're going to leave our answer this way. Question 4. We have 4R into bracket 6 plus 3C minus 14. As usual, would open the what? Bracket. And then we have 4R times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Then we'll put our R plus 4R times 3C gives us 12RC minus 14. Can we move further than this? We have different variables here with different coefficients, so we can't move further than this. And now we've come to the end of the lesson for today. I hope you keep practicing, and please do well to like my video, watch it, comment, leave a comment in the comment section, and do not forget to lastly subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.